Hey, hello guys, this is Mario and today I'm working on HackerRank, a new challenge. This time I am in Minimax Sum. This is part of the 3 months preparation kit, week 1. Uh, I am just taking a review for the last 2 months before starting to looking for a new job. But this was a very interesting exercise. Let's check around. Given 5 positive integers, find the minimum and the maximum values. Then calculate by summing exactly 4 of the 5 integers and then print the respective minimum and maximum values in one single line and space separated. Okay, very straightforward. 5 numbers, one array. We had to find the minimum and the maximum, and we had to zoom in and then remove it. Okay, let's go. There are different ways. I use in Python. In Python, we can use the infinite number. I will define one variable, and this will be the maximum. The maximum is what I will storage the maximum number that I have inside my array. In this case, I will use a float. Why? Because this is the way that we use the infinitive number, and I will use the minus infinitive. Why? Because whichever numbers bigger than minus infinity will be my maximum, and I will another variable that will be n, that will be where I will storage my minimum. My minimum will be, for now, infinite positive. What I will do? Well, first I need to find them, and how I do it? Well, let's work our array. For number in array, let's see, if number is bigger than my maximum that I have right now, then my maximum, it will be my number. Okay, let's check what we are doing here. I got my maximum right now is minus infinity, and I have whichever number. Maybe I have 0. 0 is bigger than minus infinity. Yes, it is. Then I storage them, and we go again and again and again. And let's do the same. If number is minus, then in this case n, that is my minimum, then my n will be, in this case, my number. What I am doing, if I have a number that is less than my minimum, let's storage, and they are not saying return, they are saying print. Then we have to print. In this case, let's sum all the values. Python, very straightforward way, and we have it here. Let's say total, it will be like a sum over my array. The first one, I had to add the minimum, then I will say total minus, in this case, m, and the next one will be total minus my minimum. Okay, and that's it. This must make the trick. Okay, they are saying that I have one letter A somewhere. I have it here at the very end. Let's remove it and run it. Okay, I didn't prepare it. I am doing it. Everything is okay. Let's submit our code. It will check all the tests. And so far so good. Let's wait. Maybe my internet. Okay, perfect. Everything was successful. Here comes the first question. Right now, our big O notation, it will be O of n. We can make it better? Yes, absolutely, we can do it better. How we can do it? Okay, we know that we have 5 numbers. In this case, I will never try to use a sort, but if we sort it, we will know that our minimum value will be in the position 0 and our maximum value will be in the position n minus 1. Let's say array, and let's sort it. Here Python use something maybe like I don't know, quick sort, merge sort. Okay, doesn't matter. Then we say total equal sum of array. Okay, everything fine. Now we have to print, and what we will print? Okay, let's print total minus, and I need the maximum number. So what is the maximum number? The maximum number is in array -1. That is my last element on the array, and the other one will be total minus array of 0. Okay, let's run it. In this case, it's the same answer. Not any problem. We submit it, and in this case, our big O notation, it will be all logarithmic. Why? Because when we sort it, is the maximum bound. In this case, it will be a logarithmic. Now we can check it here. For example, here we have O n was the first one, and then we have O logarithm of n. In this case, it will be faster. Okay, I hope you like it. I will try to upload videos every day, at least for the next month. Okay, see you tomorrow.